Hello students, welcome to the practice session of PYQs. Today we are going to take the sessions of JEE Advanced 2021 previous questions. Okay, so many of the students have in the mind that the JEE questions are too tough, advanced means very much high of the level, so much scary about that question. So now, need not to worry about that. Over here you can see the questions are not so like tough. You have to only be conceptual and be like inclined. We have to be following. The patience is required. So now you can see one of the such questions which students feels tough questions. Next the question: consider triangle whose two sides on the x-axis and the line. Okay, if the orthocenter of triangle is 1, then the equation of circle passing through the vertex of the triangle is. So what you come to know that the question is saying a triangle is there, okay, whose two sides are lying on. One side is x-axis, other is the line given, and third side they are not told about. Okay, what else the information given is orthocenter. Okay, so the third things what they saying that after that you got a triangle, you have to make one circle circumscribing it, means circumcircle you have to make, and the equation of that circumcircle is required in the question. Okay, so now proceeding here, what is the approach we have to know? If we know the 3 points of the circle on which the circle is passing through, 3 points means the 3 vertices of the triangle, then we can easily able to write the equation of a circle, right? By the following methods. Okay, so now see, for finding out the coordinates of these vertices, we know that one of the line is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, why? Because this is the x-axis. On x-axis, y is always 0. Okay, so on this, let's say here, this is the line x plus y plus 1. So this is this coordinate b, we can say this coordinate b is the intersection. It is the intersection of this line x plus y plus 1 and this x-axis. Okay, so by further solving, what it comes to know, y is equal to 0 putting here, we get x is equal to minus 1. So this is the coordinate minus 1, 0. This coordinate we easily able to find out. Now, orthocenter is in between h1, 1. So, orthocenter is there inside the triangle. Okay. So, what is orthocenter first? Orthocenter is nothing but the concurrency, point of concurrency of the perpendiculars of a triangle. Perpendiculars of a triangle. Mention the things. Altitude of a triangle, perpendiculars. It means what? If this is the side, if this is the side of x-axis, so perpendicular to this is the line parallel to the y-axis. So parallel to line, any line parallel to y-axis is the equation x is equal to k. Okay, and this line is passing through 1, 1. So after satisfying, we got x is equal to k is equal to 1. So k value is 1. So the equation of the line is perpendicular to the BC. Perpendicular to BC is x is equal to 1. It means over here one thing is very clear. X coordinate is 1. So what about y coordinates? How we can get y coordinates? Because this is the point of intersection of this line AB and this perpendicular. So after putting over here, what we know, x is equal to 1. What we can get here? X is equal to 1 plus y plus 1 means y is equal to minus 2. The coordinates we got, x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. This coordinate we got, 2 coordinates we comes to know. Now we have to work on the third coordinates to get. Okay, so one thing you know, this is on the x-axis, so y coordinate is 0. You have to know about x coordinate, right? So how we can know? This is the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So we have to write one equation which is perpendicular to this AB. This is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so A and B. AB line is there. What is the line? X plus y plus 1. So any line perpendicular to x plus y plus 1, their equation can be x minus y. Just interchange the coefficient and apply the negative sign to it. So x become x minus y plus lambda is equal to 0, and this line is passing through 1, 1. So satisfying we got lambda is equal to 0. Hence the equation will be y is equal to x. So we comes to know the equation of this line, y is equal to x. So this point is nothing but intersection of this line and intersection of this line. So over here y is equal to 0, putting here we get x is equal to 0. So hence all the 3 coordinates of the circle, coordinates of all the triangle we got it. Okay, what are the coordinates? The one coordinate is 1, minus 1, the other is 0, 0 and minus 1, 0, the 3 coordinates. So now we have to write the equation of a circle which is passing through ABC. Okay, so now for in this method, what to do? The 3 points are known. We have to just assume the equation of a circle, general equation of a circle, and then make it satisfying. So three unknowns are there in the circle, G, F and C. G, F and C. Okay, and three equations. Three unknowns, three equations. You can easily able to find out, and hence we can find the solution of a circle, right? Equation of a circle. So here, let's assume x square plus y square plus 2g equals to fy plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of a circle. Okay. So now satisfying the coordinate c. So c like 0, 0 satisfying here. What we can know is c. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. C is equal to 0. So what we get from here? The C, the independent part, but the one constant we go come to know that C is equal to 0. Now, second, the point B is here minus 1, 0. Okay, so by putting here minus 1, 0, what we comes to know? Now satisfy 1, then 0, then here minus 2g, then here 0 plus C. C is also a 0, right? C is also a 0. So putting here, what we comes to know? G is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, two unknowns we know. Till now, by using the 2 points, we comes to know the two unknowns. Now, third thing. The third thing is there. The point is 1, minus 2. So now putting here 1 square minus 2 square, then 2g, 2 into g into. Okay, then x is 1, right? Then 2fy, 2 into f into y is minus 2. Putting here, all we get c is equal to 0. So here g is 10 into how much? 1 by 2. Substituting of g and c, it comes to know that f is nothing but equal to 6 by 4. F is coming 6 by 4. 6 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2. Three unknowns we know. What is unknowns required? G, F and C, which are unknowns. We got it here. So now substituting right over here in the equation, original equation, we got x square plus y square plus 2 into 1 by 2 into x plus 2 into 3 by 2 into y plus is equal to 0. So now from here also you can just make an option checking and you can easily able to solve. You need not to solve complete also sometimes. You have to just check an option and make mark the correct options. Okay, so now here x square plus y square, 2 cancel, so it becomes what? X square plus y square plus x, then here 2 to cancel plus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Hence this is the equation of a circle. So you can see here what? X square plus y square plus x plus 3y is equal to 0. And this is the equation. Okay, this is not having the same. You can see x, y. Here t is there. This cannot be the option. So by just checking. Okay, so this is the solution of the JEE Advanced 2021 question. Okay, so what you have seen that we require the knowledge of orthocenter for this question and the general line equation, straight line, and the equation of circle. Okay, the circle concept. So three concepts you know, then this can be the JEE Advanced question. You can easily able to do. The only thing required is the patience and the step by step solving method. Okay, okay. Thank you very much.